In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize headings in Microsoft Word, a skill that can really elevate the professionalism and clarity of your documents. Let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document that you want to work on. You might already have some text that possesses a basic heading style. Our task here is to enhance that heading to make it truly stand out. So go ahead and locate a piece of text that has a heading style applied. This could be any heading, but for our purposes, we'll focus on updating the specific style. You'll find that using headings in Word helps to organize your content effectively, making it more accessible for readers to navigate through your document. Once you've selected your heading, it's time to personalize it. Head over to the Home tab, which contains a variety of formatting tools. Here you can change the look of your heading by adjusting the font, size, and color to better suit the theme of your document. Additionally, you might want to make the text bold to give it that extra pop and ensure it captures your reader's attention. Experiment a bit until you're satisfied with how it appears. Now, with your newly formatted headings selected, we're going to update the style, so all similar headings in your document reflect these changes. This is a great way to maintain consistency without having to manually format every single heading. Stay on the Home tab and find the Styles group, which is usually located towards the right of the ribbon. This panel shows a list of available heading styles. Each one corresponds to different levels of headings like heading 1, heading 2, and so on. Right-click on the heading style that matches the one you've just updated. For example, if you altered a heading 2 style, right-click on heading 2 in the list. The context menu that appears will give you a few different options, but the one we're interested in is Update Heading Number to Match Selection. By selecting this option, you effectively instruct Word to take the customizations you've applied to your selected heading and apply them to all headings of that same type within your document. This approach is particularly useful in longer documents where you might have multiple sections with similar headings. Adjusting all of them at once saves you a significant amount of time and effort. And there you have it. Creating and customizing headings in Microsoft Word can greatly improve both the usability and the aesthetic of your documents. It might take a little practice to get things just right, but with these steps, you're well on your way to crafting beautifully organized documents. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on mastering Microsoft Word.